Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, my people. What's up? What's going on? Hope all is well. Let me have a little bang. I put on nothing. I'll leave it to dry some more. I put on the last part. So I have, I think it's an 8 inch. Yeah. So, but what most I like about this is the steak, because now I'll never put them on, and then they come with this at the back as well, and then you have it like elastic at the back as well, which is great. But the most important part is the big one, because normally when I buy them I have to put them on. So let me see it come with it. I was like, yay, you pay, because I don't like to glue them on here, because I don't want to lose my hairline, so I like to have them. So it can come off from both end, which is good. So you can wear it, or you don't have to wear it. So it's to the side. You know, normally you'd have to glue it to the side, but now this year it just to the side, which is great. So why not going? Yeah, so see that? And you can extend it out, but we don't want to extend it out no more. We don't want to extend it no more. So I'm gonna do. You have this. I'm gonna put on one more layer and dry it, and then put it on. Put it on. So I'm not using my finger because I'm not gonna use my finger. I don't want my finger to sticky up, so I'm gonna have my tool that I use. I'm not gonna put no glue at the back, because most likely this ear gonna come off as I come in from church. Most likely. Or tomorrow. Let me just not glue at the back. I just use this got to be spray at the back, and that's it. So I'm gonna dry my hair now. So my ear is dry now, so I'm just using my tip of my finger and just do me have to do with it and everything. And then now I'm gonna cut off the back, because I don't want the back. So I'm gonna put it on now. I'll follow this. So I'm gonna put on this first. guys the front. Not dry fully as I want it, but to save time, when I do not put this at the front. We're gonna make it enough. Yeah. And I will be contented, and you are Jireh. You are enough. Can't even wear it like this and I go back here, but you are Jireh. You are enough. Got some more. The word there was spoken. In every circumstance, no one too curly, not too curly. No, I'm gonna give it a side part. In the front of this tin door. I'm not gonna lie. Front of it tin. Once I bring it down, make sure I bring down to how I want it. I take another side part it here, so. The tin. Front of it tin bad. There's no joke about it. So this is just to give me an idea how me I want it, and then by the time I cut out the fridge and everything. But the front is thin. my hair. Okay, I think that's it. Front end, but then let me go for my cutting tool. Guys, may I look everywhere I can for my stick. I know it's not done. I know it's not finished, but I can't find it. And that's what I use to keep my hair down. I don't know where it is. I don't know if I'm Turkey or something. But anyway. Oh, something like that. I don't even know.
Oh, excuse me.
You see? What's up with bag of my makeup? We got too much everywhere. I don't even want to cut off too much, make too much oil come off. So I'm gonna leave it like that. I don't want too much oil come off. One thing I know, the front is very thin. That's the only fault I find it so far. So I'm plugging this. So I'm gonna press it until I don't want it. Should have it brighter. Okay, let me get my jam. So I have my styling jam. This one cut some more. No one cut no more either. It's always one side I give me a problem. I don't know why. Always one side I give me a problem. Okay, that's it. This side is perfect. Okay, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. If I'm gonna wear it down like this. If I'm gonna wear it down, I don't think I need this side to cut. Where that is concerned about my cut. So I'm gonna bring back this side like this. I can wear both down from like this. I think I'm going to wear one side out like that, and then the other come down. I don't want this cut too short neither. I don't know. So the other side I'm not going to cut it, I'm just going to leave it down. Oh, and this will plug out this. Somebody plug out this. Let's have this on. Plug out one that's never know which one to plug out. Into the small one, middle one. So with this, I'm not going to press this down. I'm just going to maybe use the pressing oil and put a little bit on it. Let's see. The front is thin, and that's what I wanted. What I want more on the body at the front. But it's okay. Let's look at my makeup. No. The back is okay. Oh yes, that's true. You can wear it like this if more as well. You can wear it anyhow. And that's what I like about this one. But maybe I forgot to put on this. Probably. Well, that is that. I'm done with that for now. Anyway, this is it. I'm gonna put this back on my ears for now. So this is the day, this is the day that the Lord has made. Let us rejoice. I still know I don't the black eyebrow, yeah. But today I decide to do black eyebrow. And not really straight yet. I'm so straight it up. I try to thin out the end. Yeah, kind of gonna do black eyebrow. Me I like it. But today I'm gonna do black eyebrow. I think the end wants to thin out some more. See here? So as you know, my makeup is from Paragon. I'm using Paragon foundation, but that's not my main point. Today I will show you my main point today, okay? It's not even a pencil, okay? The time is going. So I'm neaten up my eyebrow. So I'm gonna use some of the foundation and neaten it up. Mm-hmm. Yeah. So that is it for now. But this is what my main point is now. So you know the sun is a bit out. The sun is a bit out. So guys, this is from Paragon. You know, if you trouble with eye face, this is the best thing to use. It helps rejuvenate your skin. It keep your face, not your nose, because I trouble with either nose and either cheek and either forehead. So when I apply this onto my skin, my face is not greasy. You know, some people you have on makeup and you look at bare grease. No, this helped me to prevent grease from popping up in my face, especially when you use it in the sun. So this is what I'm gonna apply it to. I'm gonna apply it to my nose. I'm gonna apply a pinch to my chin and my jaw. And then a smaller portion to my forehead. But mostly I'm focusing on my nose. So use this all day for 24 hours. If you want to keep your makeup on for 24 hours, it's good. Run over Paragon Cosmetic and you will find it. I had this 3 year now. You know, so now I go to England. But I mostly use it when I'm in like Jamaica. So you know Jamaica hot. Yeah. So now I'm gonna apply my foundation. So I'm gonna put a pinch here, pinch there, pinch there, pinch there. I'm not applying foundation on my skin today. I just want to look as natural as possible. I hate this lighting. Make my face look like I got on loads of makeup. But it ain't like that. It ain't like that. Put my cover up on the rack. This is the pressing. I used to press my hair. I'm using my sun hair, my natural hair. And put on the rank up on both of them. I'm not going loud today. Just gonna use something from this This is not doing me no justice. I'm not gonna put on an eyelash today as well either. Just something simple and go. Guys, I have this new strip from Paragon as well. I'm gonna put it on. Show you. There's my tweezer. I have no tweezer right here. Where I have my tweezers over there, and I can't bother to pick it up. But this is a new strip. So you take off. So they come like a big piece like this. And you push it on the iron your thing. And you do your thing. I'm gonna put the setting powder. The thing with the setting powder. I'm gonna put some of this first, the white powder. The thing with my setting powder now. Damn, I hate it. It's at my clothes. So I'm gonna put the white powder here. You can put the white powder before. Sometimes I put it before so it'll keep my face feel cool as well. Let me see that proper white. You don't need too much. Just make your face look feel cool. And then I'm gonna put my setting powder. I already have on my church clothes, so with the setting powder, you know, you can rub it down to your neck or whatever. I don't put makeup on my neck. I don't. But with this now you can do. Put my setting powder on my neck. And then you're done. And last but not least, my like a blush. And then blush down to the deep and you draw a load again. But then you want to put it again. So this is it for me. As I said, I like the hair. I got a tall hair in the same color. Like, one thing I don't like the the thinness at the front. But for the hair, I do like it. I love this color. I love color hair. I think I'm going to change up my white blouse underneath my top. I'll put on black because I'm wearing a black leggings. So I see you when I get ready. So guys, I'm finito. I'm gonna say the back. I'm don't do down the back. I'm leaving the back like that. So this is me. I might put on a bit of lipstick to just bring it up, but so far this is it. Yeah, the lighting much better. Took some picture of myself, you know, and this is it. I might just put on that red lipstick, you know. Might just put it on. Yeah, yeah. See you later. So today I'm putting on number 5, yeah. You leave it for 1 minute. So my face look bright already. You leave it for 1 minute, then take it off, rub it off, like, yeah. Then I'm gonna put it. I want it bright like this, so I'm gonna put one more course. Top on mascara because I might put on an eyebrow, eyelashes today, and mascara. I'm gonna put on one more course. And leave it for 1 minute, and then this is how bright I want it. So I'm come back after a minute. So I got number 5. That was the number 5 that I put down, and then this is the number 3. And that's it for today. Have a blessed day.